So I'm going to show you how to get these shocks off without breaking them. All you do is rotate it 90 degrees, but before you do that, you have to push in on these. So you take a little jeweler's screwdriver and push in on that and push that tab like that. The problem is that you can see this one pretty easily, but there's also one on the back side. So you have to do them both. So you have to get a little screwdriver in on both of them, kind of like that. And then push these both down and rotate it at the same time, so it's a little bit of a, and then just fold that down and let it sit there, it'll be fine. Okay,